We guide you through how to change the date and time on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app on your device, scroll down and tap General. Then look for date and time and tap on it. You will see an option called Set Automatically. If it's turned on, your iPhone is using your network to set the correct time. So if you want to manually change it, simply toggle it off. Once turned off, you can now tap on the date and time section below and adjust it by scrolling through the wheels to your preferred date and exact time. Make sure you select the correct time zone as well by tapping time zone and typing your city. This is very important to avoid incorrect time displays, especially for messages and scheduled apps. After setting everything, just exit the settings and your changes will be saved automatically. If you ever notice your time is wrong again, it's recommended to turn set automatically back on your iPhone settings with your carrier. And that's it. You've successfully changed the date and time on your iPhone in just a few easy steps.